Hello sir, the final topic project which I am going to be sharing with you is about the predicting hospital of the non-attendancy patients. So let's see what it is all about sir. In this exercise, we will train different machine learning models including a neural network to predict whether somebody will attend their upcoming hospital appointment. So these models are trained on the for everyone publicly available. So these algorithms are here in this, which are random forest, support vector machine, and neural networks. We will learn how to download data and load it into our Jupyter notebook. We will import useful libraries like pandas and scikit-learn. We will clean our data. We will engineer new features. And then the first part is downloading and importing our data. We include the datasets like Hackle, Peppers with Code, and Data World. We download and move our data. We import the pandas library, pandas as pd. We import numpy as np. We show and no source. We import our data into the notebook, and then we have to save in the df variable, and then we should be able to see the cell below running mode like this sir, all of this. And then we visualize our data. To understand our data, we can use functions such as head, tail, and describe to be used only on specific variables. Then we enter the no shows.head command, which is for the patient ID, appointment ID, gender, schedule day, appointment day, and all of this sir. And then we type no shows.age.describe column, and then we get this at output. We can also do a quick screen, and then we print all of this sir, and then in the output we get all of this sir. In the third part, we clean our data, we remove outliers, we show all of this, and then we type all of this. It is for a top cutoff as 90 years and the lowest cutoff as 5 years, and then we see all of this sir. And then if we are happy, we can go ahead and update the data set by declaring this into the variable like this sir. We correct some spelling mistakes here which happened accidentally, unintentionally, and then we remove unhelpful columns. We can remove this using the drop function, and then we type this, and then we convert variables to binary. We further clean it, and the fourth part we feature the engineering, which is one is the writing time variable. Then we type this one, and then we get this as output, and then we show the node. Then we can do that using the apply function and the numpy datetime 64 format as below. And then we do this one, we type this data, we enter this cell here, and then to make simpler things, we can focus only on the date and not the time of the date, and then we can write like this. We can go ahead and add a new column called waiting time, and then we see our new variable like this, and then we type this one and we get a column like this sir. And then we add the dummy variables like this, and then for each potential neighborhood we get like this sir. And then we prepare and train our model, and then we see the prediction variable, and when training the model, we can only show the training data. We can then test it on the test data and use that to understand how well the model may perform on new unseen data. And then we type this one sir. We can now create our input x variables and our output y variables for the training and test sets, and then we type like this sir. We train the model, we enter this data, and then we generate and assess predictions like this sir. And in yes sir. So hope this one was the final one. So you can give me sir how was this one, and this is what I performed sir. Thank you sir.